Could you imagine? Could you imagine in a world of about 7 billion to 8 billion population, the global economy is handled by only less than 5% of the people? And this, if you check, most of these companies have high concentration in tech and ICT. And if you check, most of these companies are outside Africa, which Africa is 10 years behind in terms of technology, innovation. And these companies offer different services to serve the people, to serve you at the point of your need. And that's where Ozone comes in. Ozone ICT Hub. We come in as we are coming in. Oh, we aspire to be the leading tech company in Africa, and which we are working towards that. Our sole aim is to bridge this gap between success and stats have stated that about 80% of Nigerians are not tech inclined, which our education system and our political system have made it not to be possible at all for one to excel in this part of the world. We are coming to bridge this gap. I am Emmanuel Ifeanyi Joseph of Ozone ICT Hub. Ozone ICT Hub is a tech company in Nigeria with office to serve the entire Africa, willing to serve the entire Africa with its tech and innovation. We specialize in web development, app development, digital branding, graphics, ICT training in different fields, both Python, software development, app development, digital marketing, and other fields. And we also plan to venture into AI, that's artificial intelligence, in few years to come. We are working towards that. We're under research to make this a possibility. We also plan to venture into manufacturing industry where we can develop some devices to aid businesses and aid life and to make life easy, and also other automated devices to make life very easy. And with time, we also plan to we are working towards also making research to see if in by year 2032 or 2035 highest, this thing will come to a reality. We are working towards creating wireless electricity transmission system. That's our vision. When it comes to that, we know that some people may say that it's impossible, but in Ozone we believe in possibility. Everything is possible in this world. The tech industry is estimated about in 2030 it will be is estimated about $875 billion, and we work resiliently to see if our dream will be achieved. We estimate our funding to we need about 12 million naira for our startup, which in 1 year time we are expecting about 20 million naira. In 3 years time we are expecting about 33 million naira, a drastic drastic 70% increase. And in 10 years time we are expecting about 133 billion naira, which from this you can see ICT is just limitless. It keep on growing day after day as long as innovation increases and you follow the trend. We never give up, we never go down. Definitely the rise increase as long as things are keep. So I will appreciate if Ugumba Leadership Center will support me with this. Definitely you will never regret in investing in me and investing